Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today you are going to practice how to make and respond to suggestion. Imagine that you haven't seen a good friend in a month. In a telephone call, your friends tell you she would like to get together for dinner but can't think of a restaurant to go to, so you offer an idea. Listen to a short conversation.
I'd love to have dinner on Friday, but I'm not sure where.
How about we go to Chez Philip?
Great idea. I haven't been there in over a year.
The phrase "how about" is one common way to make a friendly suggestion in English. To make a suggestion means to offer an idea or plan for someone to think about. You may already know a few ways to make suggestion in English, using words such as could or should. In this video, we will talk about common phrases you can use for making friendly suggestions. We use many of these phrases in question form. Let's start by talking a little more about the phrase "how about." When you ask a question using "how about," you are asking someone if they agree with what you are suggesting. There are two structures for using this phrase. The first is "how about" plus subject plus simple verb form. Let's listen to the first example. How about we go to bookstore? In this example, the subject is we and the verb is go. The second structure for using how about is how about plus gerund. Listen to this example. How about going to bookstore? In this example, the subject is still we, although it's not directly stated. Instead, the subject is implied and going is the gerund form of the verb go. You can also use how about plus gerund to make a suggestion for an action that doesn't involve you. For example, how about starting a group for English learners? What about? The phrase "what about" is very similar to "how about." You can replace the phrasing "how about" plus gerund with "what about" plus gerund to express the same meaning. For example, what about going to bookstore? Why don't? Why don't is very similar to "how about" and "what about." The difference here is that we ask the question using the negative don't. The structure is why don't plus subject plus simple verb form. Listen to this example using why don't. Why don't we go to bookstore? Shall. Using shall is another way to make a suggestion. However, it sounds a lot more formal and is more common in British English than American English. The structure is shall plus subject plus simple verb form. For example, shall we go to library? One thing to note when using shall to make suggestions, it is only used with the subjects I and we. We would not say shall you to offer an idea. Let's. Sometimes, suggestions are expressed in statements instead of questions, such as with the phrase let's. Let's is a contraction for the words let us. It is used to tell someone what you want to do with them. The structure is let's plus simple verb form. Listen to this example. Let's go to library. In this sentence, the subject is us. So how do you respond to friendly suggestions? You can either accept or decline. These are some expressions that you can use to accept or decline a suggestion.